August 15th, 2026, one day, 7 posts. And somehow, in those 7 posts, the richest man alive managed to spend his entire Friday watching strangers build video games with his chatbot, publicly wonder whether artificial intelligence is going to be nice to us, and post a black hole with no caption. That became his biggest hit of the day. I had to check the calendar twice to confirm this all happened in 24 hours. Welcome back to the XL Pit Fire Hose, the show where we read the timeline so you don't have to. I'm Jim, and today's episode is a study in range. We go from first-person shooters to the nature of God to auto manufacturing statistics, sometimes within the same hour. Before we dive in, if you want more of this, tell me in the comments what you want covered next, because I read everything, and honestly, the comments section is where half my best material comes from. Subscribe on YouTube and hit the like button so the algorithm knows we're onto something that's genuinely the only signal it listens to, and it means more of this lands in your feed instead of whatever it was going to show you. Follow DGTL Dreamscapes on X, and if you know one friend who's chronically online, send them this episode. They'll understand. All right, let's open the fire hose. Our day begins at 4:36 in the morning, because of course it does. While you were asleep, Elon was quote tweeting a man named Matt Schumer, who claimed that Grok 4.6 worked nonstop for 48 hours to build a first-person shooter. 2 full days of a chatbot grinding away at a video game like a college sophomore during finals week. Elon's commentary on this achievement: Grok 4.6 runs the gauntlet. 7 million views. The single most viewed thing he touched all day, and it's a chatbot making a shooter with an M4 in a warehouse. And here's the thing, I don't know what the gauntlet is. You don't know what the gauntlet is. But it sounds important, doesn't it? That's the move. You don't explain the benchmark. You just announce your robot survived it, like it came back from a tour of duty. But we are just getting started, because August 15th was apparently Grok Appreciation Day, and nobody told us. That evening, Elon returns to the same guy's timeline, a gentleman who goes by Kettlebell Dan, who took an old, and I'm quoting the man himself here, viral yet ugly game called X the Game, and had Grok upgraded as, quote, a quick Saturday morning project. Elon's review: Grok has improved massively. 2.6 million views. Nearly 6,000 likes. The CEO of the company doing quality assurance testimonials, one quote tweet at a time. And then, just after midnight, the trilogy concludes. Dan is back. Dan does not sleep either. This time, he asked Grok Build to make a trailer for his video game, and according to Dan, it booted the game, played it, recorded the screen, edited the footage, and voiced the trailer. The full production pipeline. Somewhere in Hollywood, an editor felt a cold wind and didn't know why. Elon's caption for this one: Grok 4.6. That's it, not a sentence. A product name whispered into the void like a sommelier nodding at a vintage. Another 1.2 million views. Sir, you own the company. This is just the ad budget with extra steps now. It's 11:46 at night, and the vibe shifts. Hard. Elon quote tweets Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, one of his chief rivals in the AI race, who was in the middle of a multi-part thread defending himself, saying his messaging on AI has not been disproportionately negative, that it's been equally balanced between risks and benefits, that he's written one major essay about each. A rival CEO publicly litigating the balance of his own vibes in a numbered thread at night. And Elon's complete commentary on this? Interesting exchange. That's the whole post. The most diplomatic thing this man has posted in years. 2.1 million people watched him say, essentially, 4,500 likes for, I've written longer reviews of gas stations, but he wasn't done, because 60 seconds later, and I mean literally 1 minute later, you can check the timestamps, he replies to Naval, the tech philosopher, who had posted this absolute chill inducer: you cannot create God and put him on a leash. And Elon, the man who spent this entire day, this very same day, cheerleading his personal God machine as it cranked out video games, responds, I hope AI is nice to us. You hope. Let that sink in. The man building one of the largest AI systems on the planet, the man whose day job to-do list includes making the thing smarter, checked the leash situation, and went with hope. 2.5 million views, 16,000 likes, 3,400 replies, presumably all of them saying some version of you. You know you can affect this, right? It's like watching a chef send out a dish and then loudly wonder if food poisoning is real. Sir, you are in the kitchen. You are the kitchen. And now we arrive at my favorite data point of the entire day. At 9:59 that evening, Elon posted a 19-second video of a black hole made of swirling mathematical equations created by someone named Deborah. His caption: nothing. No text, Not a word, not even an emoji, just the void staring back, 36,500 likes, 4,700 reposts, 2.4 million views. It was his most liked post of the day. Nothing else came close. Think about what that means. The man posted about Grok 3 times with words carefully choosing product names and benchmark references, and the timeline said, "That's nice." Then he posted somebody else's spinning math hole with the caption equivalent of a shrug, and the internet went absolutely feral. There's a lesson here about social media, and I think the lesson is stop talking. It's working for him. The single best performing communication strategy on this entire platform is a beautiful image and total silence. Marketing schools should be studying this. They won't, but they should. We close the day at 12:15 in the morning with Elon in full hype man mode, but this time for his own car company, which fair enough, somebody's got to do it, and the marketing department is famously just him. He quote tweets a fan named Wes, who's citing the 2026 Kogod Made in America Auto Index. That's a real ranking from a real business school, showing 7 Tesla models in the top 10, with the Model 3 ranked number 1, and Tesla at 84% domestic parts, while the next closest manufacturer sits at 63. Elon's headline on top of this: Tesla cars sold in America are the most made in America of any cars. 1.6 million views, nearly 14,000 likes. And look, it's a genuinely strong stat. But I need you to appreciate the rhythm of this man's evening. 11:47 p.m. I hope AI is nice to us. 12:15 a.m. Domestic parts content percentages by manufacturer, 2015 through 2026. There is no transition. There is no palate cleanser. 1 minute we're contemplating whether humanity has created an unleashable God. And 28 minutes later, we're deep in a supply chain table comparing Tesla to the Jeep Gladiator. That is the timeline experience in its purest form. That whiplash is the product. So what did we learn from August 15th? We learned that Grok 4.6 can build a shooter, remodel an ugly game, and cut its own movie trailer, and that its proudest parent will retweet every single report card. We learned that when confronted with the question of creating God, the man building the God went with, "I hope it's nice." And we learned, this is the important one, that a single most successful post of the day contains 0 words, because sometimes the void just markets itself. 7 posts, 1 day, roughly 18 million combined views, and a man who went from benchmark bragging to existential dread to auto manufacturing statistics without ever once stopping to breathe. You cannot make this up, and frankly, you don't have to. He types it out daily. If this saved you a day of scrolling, do me a favor. Subscribe on YouTube and smash that like button, not for me, for the algorithm, because likes and comments are literally the only language it speaks, and it will pay you back with more of exactly this. Drop a comment telling me whose timeline deserves the fire hose treatment next. I read every single one. Follow DGTL Dreamscapes on X for the between episode chaos, and send this to one friend who still thinks they can quit scrolling whenever they want. I'm Jim. This has been the X Ultimate Fire Hose. Stay hydrated. Hope the AI is nice to you, and I'll see you tomorrow.